I built Piggybot Lab, a new Kids Piggy module that teaches children coding and robotics through visual commands, step-by-step execution, and friendly debugging. I used GPT 5.6 to shape the learning concept, design progressive missions, refine child-friendly language, and establish safety boundaries. I used Codex as my engineering partner to review the implementation, fix state management and accessibility issues, verify mission solvability, expand the project to 23 automated tests, and validate the production build. I made the final product, educational, architecture, and safety decisions.